Hi everyone, this is Kabir from CodersIT. Welcome to CodersIT. We are providing graphics design, web design and development services and video editing services. So this is our YouTube channel is CodersIT. You can subscribe our YouTube channel to get update and our sharing knowledgeable videos. You can visit our channel. You can read our channel content. You can get the knowledge and you can explore your skill for standard level marketplace. That is the very important skill is WordPress. We are sharing our regular based skill in our skill or our content to explore your knowledge and gather your skill. We are sharing the all category and kinds of content based tech and technology related all content we are sharing in our website and also sharing in our YouTube channel. And this is our website. You can see this is our website is CodersIT. You can visit our website and get the all services from our website. We are providing graphics design, digital marketing, SEO service, web design, software design, and IT support. You can also get the special services is like SEO and digital marketing is the special services for our team we are providing. So that is the all of our various services you can get from our you get from our YouTube channel, and also you can get from our website is codersit.com codersit.com.bd. And I also shared the all links in our YouTube channel's content. We are also shared the all categories link to our YouTube channel contents below. You can visit our YouTube channel, then you can show the all category. You can see our all category kind of content from our YouTube channel. We're always submitted few WordPress installation, business category, and other tech related videos. You can visit and you can then gather your knowledge and you can explore your skill to get a best opportunity to marketplace. And you can also subscribe our channel is CodersIT. You can also subscribe, and our channel is will be